Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash and this is All That Ash. Today, if you guys did not see my previous video, I did an Ulta haul for, you know, like my pre-birthday Ulta haul or whatever, where I showed you guys all the stuff that I ended up getting in the mail. In that video, I actually said that I was going to do a full face of the makeup that I ended up getting with that haul, so here we are. I made you guys watch another video. It's like, I'm just kidding, but if you're new here, I just want to say welcome. I hope that you decide to become a member of the family. So if you want to subscribe, I would love to have you. I'm slowly upgrading everything little by little, so if you guys just work with me, you know, we're gonna be rocking together in the future, okay? Now, if you guys are not new to my channel, thanks for coming back. Yes, I love you guys. Oh, this is so much fun. Anyways, so let's jump right into it. I'm gonna start with the NYX pore filler. Feels nice and silky on the skin. Really like that. I have oily skin, so a little trick for me, during the summertime this works bomb, but even in the winter right now, like we're just now getting snow over here in Denver, so I haven't really, like, my skin hasn't really been too dry, but it definitely will get dry here in a minute. So what I'm going to do is, now that I have my primer on, I'm going to I'm going to color correct, and then after I color correct, I'm going to set everything with this translucent powder. I'm going to take my Pro Conceal, and obviously you guys know that that's not new. And I'm going to just blend that out. I will be using my Real Techniques. I'm going to take this pink one, the one I said I wanted to use. I love how this blends. This actually blends really well. Do you guys see that? So just with the excess, I'm just tapping that onto this dark spot on my forehead. So now that I have that on, like I said, is I'm going to go ahead and use this Studio HD finishing powder. And just put some in the cap. So then I'm going to just tap that into my face. So this is going to act like a mattifier before I even put my foundation on. And I'm only just tapping it in. I don't really want to disrupt anything. Now, my NYX liquid illuminator. And I'm going to just put some on my hand. Then I'm going to take this little sponge again. And I'm going to just put this on my cheekbones. And under my brow. I just want kind of like a little natural highlight. Oh, I'm so freaking nervous now. So, I was telling you guys how I ended up getting the NARS foundation online. I'm gonna be praying right now. So this is what it looks like. I feel like in my hand it looks a lot darker. So I'm hoping that it's not as dark as I'm thinking it is. So I'm gonna just put some on the back of my hand. That looks really dark, you guys. That looks really freaking dark. Shit. Look how dark that is. Yeah, there's no way that that's gonna be my face. So I gotta mix it. Hold on. What do I want to use today? Alright, so I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330 and I'm gonna mix those together. Like so. I might lighten it just a little bit more. I am in love with this coverage. I'm gonna just say that right now. Oh my goodness. Yes. I'm literally dying right now. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. I'm going to take one of these little tiny purple ones that came with that little set. Hi, baby. Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in Banana. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineral Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix Powder in NW58. Now I'm doing the e.l.f. Cream Contour or Cream Blush Palette. I'm going to take this little one on the bottom. So I'm patting so I don't disrupt the base. I'm going to go over that cream blush with the Lorac Cheek Palette. I'm going to take this one up here. Okay, so now I'm going to be highlighting with the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. This is in the color Rose. That is so cute. Yeah, he was cold this morning. It's pretty. Finish off with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Alright. So the Urban Decay one said that you're supposed to do it in like an X and then like a T. So I'm going to try that. Oh, I said I was going to try it in an X.
Get it in right now. I'm about to get my 120 right now. You gotta be nice.
Okay. I actually like that. That's pretty cool. I should probably do my brows. Give me a second. I'm going to do my brows real quick. Did my brows and I prepped my eyelids off camera. So now we are going to go in with the Sugar Rush Goals palette by Tarte. Super cute. This one right here, which is called Use, is this B&B one right. I'm going to take this drop top right here. Then I'm going to go in with this color Concert right here. And I'm going to put it just in the center. Alright, and finishing off the eyes, I'm going to go back with my butter bronzer. Or butter highlighter, I'm sorry. In the pink rose. Hi, Angel. So, I'm going to just take that. Oh, we're so excited! Can you say hi? Finishing off the eyes, I'm gonna do the Milani Mascara Highly Rated 10-in-1 Volume. Then I'm gonna try these Allure lashes, the Marquise. I love this. So now it's time to do my lips. I'm going to take this bold liner, just a dark brown, and then I'm going to follow that up with my Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in So NOIR Cool. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I love it. I freaking love it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you did like this video, go ahead and give me a like. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Yeah, so I'll see you guys for more videos. Love you.